Hey everyone, how is it going? I've got something super lineup today. Right here, this is Rubik's Cube. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna break my record. Okay, it is one of the most famous puzzle game in the world, and my record was 1 minute and 15 seconds. My best record. So I'm gonna beat that record today. Let's see. Shuffling is done. So 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! Well, I gave it my best shot, but I couldn't break my record this time. Guess it's all the parts of journey. There is always next time. Even the Thor cannot defeat the Thanos in first time, right? So let's try this again later. Bye bye.